What's up, YouTube? So here I have a shock from a Type R, 2001 Type R Honda Civic. Car was in an accident. Not sure if you can see it on camera, but this shock is bent. It's bowed, and I had two of them, so I decided to take one apart. I might take this one apart too if I need to. Here's the electric adaptive damper system. So first I had to cut off this little thing off of it, as you can see here. Drilled a hole through it, and this guy can come off. There's an electrical connection in here, and it just passes through into here. You can see those two dots. And then next, this metal cover comes off. It's just metal cover. Then you have your, I guess you call it electromagnet. Just those contacts make it all the way through here and power up this magnet. I believe that's what it is, because I guess this is a solenoid that just controls flow from outside into this tube, into there. So I guess there's fluid on the outside of here, and how it passes through here is restricted for sport driving, and then it allows more flow for comfort driving from in this passage to these passages, I guess. And then here you have the seal that's on there. This is basically just the dust shield, I guess. And then this guy here. I'm not sure what any of this stuff inside here is called. If you could tell me in the comments, that'd be great. There's a seal. So, put this here. Then this guy comes out from the back, from the bottom, I'm sorry. You have a spring in here and some kind of a seal. There's a screw that holds it all together. This spring comes off. This stays put, that doesn't come off, and this nut just holds this part onto the end there. That's about it. Not too much to it. If you were interested of what's inside one of these, well, here it is. Along with this, it's just two tubes, and I can't separate mine, I guess, because there is a little crinkle here, probably from the accident, but I'm not sure why these won't separate. There's also a little mushroom on the end here. It's a little wider, and then yeah, I can't separate these. There's a look inside. That's about it.